Welcome to Hotels, your ultimate destination for luxury accommodations. Join us as we uncover the hidden gems of Corralejo, Fuerteventura with our exclusive tour of 8 stunning villas. Remember that you have the links to all the accommodations in the description. Number 1. Villas Vico Bahia Azul are luxury villas located in Corralejo, Fuerteventura. Each villa includes 3 bedrooms. Outside the villa has a private and a pool, solarium, barbecue area and jacuzzi. The villas have a fully equipped living room and kitchen, air conditioning and free Wi-Fi. They also have their own outdoor parking space at the entrance of the villa. Number 2. Located a 5-minute drive from Corralejo sand dunes, each air-conditioned villa at Cati-style Villas Fuerteventura features a private outdoor swimming pool and terrace. Private parking and free Wi-Fi are offered. Featuring classic, Greek or Balinese-style decor, the bright villas include a lounge area with a TV and DVD player. The kitchen comes with a microwave, dishwasher and washing machine. Corralejo offers a small selection of shops and dining options within 5 minutes drive of the Cati-style villas. The complex includes barbecue facilities and a restaurant. Guests can practice a wide range of water sport activities in the area such as surf, kite surf and diving. The swimming pool can be heated for a surcharge. Fuerteventura's capital, Puerto del Rosario, is 32 kilometers away and Fuerteventura Airport is 40 minutes drive from the complex. An airport transfer can be arranged upon request. Number 3. Featuring luxurious villas with private pools, Bahia Azul Resort Fuerteventura is set 200 meters from Dunas de Corralejo Park. This attractive complex offers free Wi-Fi, a gym and spa. Each whitewashed villa at the Bahia Azul has stylish decor with features such as archways and soft lighting. Living rooms come with a flat-screen TV and iPod docking station, and open onto a large poolside terrace. Kitchenettes have a microwave, fridge and dishwasher. There is also a breakfast bar, a dining area and a hot tub. The complex offers a restaurant with a buffet breakfast. The Club Fuerteventura's spa has rain-effect showers, as well as Finnish and Turkish saunas. There are paddle tennis courts on site and many water sports are available in the area. There is also a children's playground. Number 4. Located in Corralejo, 1.9 kilometers from Las Clavelinas Beach and 1.9 kilometers from Corralejo Viejo Beach, 5 Dreams Villas 2 Dormitorios Piscina Privada provides accommodation with air conditioning and access to a garden. Free Wi-Fi is offered throughout the property. Each unit has a terrace, a kitchen with a dishwasher, a dining area and a TV, while the private bathroom includes a walk-in shower. A microwave, a toaster and fridge are also provided, as well as a kettle. Corralejo Beach is 2.3 kilometers from the villa, while Las Agujas is 2.6 kilometers away. The nearest airport is Fuerteventura Airport, 35 kilometers from 5 Dreams Villas 2 Dormitorios Piscina Privada. Number 5. Villas Mariposa's Dreams features pool views, free Wi-Fi and free private parking, located in Corralejo, 1.8 kilometers from Las Clavelinas Beach. The villa provides guests with a terrace, mountain views, a seating area, a flat-screen TV, a fully equipped kitchen with a dishwasher and a microwave, and a private bathroom with walk-in shower and a hairdryer. A toaster, a fridge and kitchenware are also featured, as well as a coffee machine. Villas Mariposa's Dreams offers a barbecue. Guests can enjoy the outdoor swimming pool and garden at the accommodation. Corralejo Viejo Beach is 1.8 kilometers from Villas Mariposa's Dreams, while Corralejo Beach is 2.1 kilometers away. The nearest airport is Fuerteventura Airport, 35 kilometers from the villa. Number 6. Paradise Villa is a property with a private pool, set in Corralejo, within just 1.3 kilometers of Las Clavelinas Beach and 1.4 kilometers of Las Agujas. This property offers access to a terrace, free private parking and free Wi-Fi. This villa includes 3 bedrooms, a living room and a flat-screen TV, an equipped kitchen with a dining area, and 1 bathroom with a shower and a washing machine. The villa offers a range of wellness facilities including a hot tub and a solarium. Both a bicycle rental service and a car rental service are available at Paradise Villa. Corralejo Viejo Beach is 1.5 kilometers from the accommodation, while Eco Museo de Alcaguita is 31 kilometers away. The nearest airport is Fuerteventura Airport, 35 kilometers from Paradise Villa. Number 7. Featuring garden views, Villa Corralejo Beach features accommodation with a balcony and a coffee machine, around 2.3 kilometers from Las Clavelinas Beach. This villa features a private pool, a garden, barbecue facilities, free Wi-Fi and free private parking. The villa is equipped with 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, bed linen, towels, a flat-screen TV with satellite channels, a dining area, a fully equipped kitchen, and a terrace with pool views. The air-conditioned villa also provides a seating area, washing machine and 2 bathrooms with a bidet and a bath. The villa offers a picnic area. Guests can also relax in the shared lounge area. Corralejo Viejo Beach is 2.5 kilometers from Villa Corralejo Beach, while Las Agujas is 2.6 kilometers away. The nearest airport is Fuerteventura Airport, 34 kilometers from the accommodation. Number 8. Set in Corralejo, 800 meters from Las Agujas and less than 1 kilometer from Las Clavelinas Beach, Fuerteventura Villas, Villa Malahia, beachfront with jacuzzi. Corralejo offers a garden and air conditioning. This beachfront property offers access to a patio, free private parking and free Wi-Fi. The villa is fitted with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, bed linen, towels, a flat-screen TV with streaming services, a dining area, a fully equipped kitchen, and a terrace with sea views. The villa offers a hot tub. Popular points of interest near Fuerteventura Villas. Villa Malahia, beachfront with jacuzzi. Corralejo include Corralejo Viejo Beach, Playa del Pozo and Corralejo Beach. The nearest airport is Fuerteventura Airport, 34 kilometers from the accommodation. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.